Hi, I'm Katelin, I'm an artist, and I'll be showing you basic colour theory for beginners and different ways you can apply it in your work. So just to start, I suggest creating a colour wheel. You can find these online for free, you can print them out, but I highly suggest you create your own because it enables you to really understand where all the colours go, how they're applied, and focus more on it, I guess. So, to start off, we have the primary colours, obviously, which in this colour wheel that I have coloured myself, they are in this triangle here. Ooh, if you can see that. And so the primary colours are known as primary colours as they are the base of every other colour. You can't create these, separately as you can with secondary colours, which are these ones, which are, orange, green and violet. Secondary colours are created by mixing the primary colours, and to create tertiary colours, you can mix the primary and the secondary colours together, which give you colours like pink or, aqua or like a mango colour. So that's the basics, but there are also so many other types of pairs of colours that you can get an understanding of. I'll show you two of these, one of which are complementary colours, or known as contrasting colours. So they are typically opposites on the colour wheel. So you'd have, yellow and violet, and you'd have those as contrasting, or you'd do, orange and blue, or red and green. So this is why I highly recommend using a colour wheel, because you can really see just how it's all laid out, what goes where and that kind of thing. And another type are harmonious colours, which essentially is what it is. They are the colours that share the same space on the colour wheel. For example, there's red, so it would start maybe here, and then it would go from orange to yellow. So, these would be the harmonious colours. And yeah, a great method I love to utilise with my own works is using harmonious colours. For me, I use colours such as blue and violet with one contrasting colour, such as yellow or pink. Here's an example. So I've used, a light blue and a darker blue, which are harmonious because they are here on the same end of the colour wheel. And I've put in a pop of pink, which is, typically closer to purple and blue, which are, pink is more on the warm side, and blue and purple are mostly on the cooler side, and then a big pop of yellow. So this is just something I like to do with my work. You can do so much more with your own. So here's an example of just harmonious colours. This was done with watercolour. So it's, red and orange mostly. It could have been a bit better if I had some yellow stars or something like that. So, you can do a lot. So yeah, I highly suggest playing around with your colour wheel, using the complementary colours or harmonious colours or just primary colours. You can do so much, and it's really fun, and you can find so much online. I hope this helped, and yeah.